Guys, look at this storm, guys. Holy crap. Guys, look at this crap. Dang. Oh my god. Woo. Dang, this is a bad storm, guys. Like, it's really bad. Guys, look at the rain, guys. Look how bad it's blowing. Hey guys, look at that. This is some bad storm, guys. It's really windy too. Look at that tree blowing crazy, guys. Look at that. This is 60 miles per hour winds, guys. Oh my god! Holy crap! Guys, look at this. Wow! Dude, this is a big storm. Dude, look at these winds, guys. It's getting really strong. Ah! Yeah, we can. Guys, look at this, man. Yeah, this is actually strong winds right here, guys. God, I don't know if I'm this easy. But this is crazy, man. Like, look at that rain over there, guys. Yeah, this is oh guys, this is some crazy winds right here. We're not even in the bad part yet, but we're about to get hit by it soon. Sorry guys, I'm shaking. It's like, for some reason it's caught here with the thunderstorm. Dang. Hey guys, look at that over there. You can tell how strong the winds are. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, that's really. This is crazy, guys. So that got honked. Well guys, that was awesome. I'm gonna stop the video. Bye guys.